Today I'm cooking chicken gravy. You can call it chicken stew, but in Liberia we call it chicken gravy. My green pepper, some celery, red and yellow pepper, they all go in the gravy. I'm going to blend them together. And onion, I'm going to blend some onion with some pepper. This is my hot chili, some garlic, and I have my green seasoning here that also going in the gravy. And I got my seasoning cube, and I'm going to use olive oil to cook my gravy. I got my seasoning here, my all-base seasoning and my salt. And I also have my homemade tomato paste that I'm going to go in the gravy. Also, after the gravy, when I cook the gravy, we're going to eat it with some plantain, some potatoes, and some, that's what we're going to eat it with. You can eat it with rice, but today we're going to eat it with some plantain and some potatoes. Okay, now I have my oil in the pot. Let the oil get hot, then I'm going to fry my chicken. Fry it lightly, not really dry, just a little bit for the gravy. And that's what I'm going to do right now. Now my oil, I think my oil is hot. I'm going to try with a piece of onion. Okay, now it's hot. I'm going to put my Now I'm going to blend my pepper, my red pepper and everything. I'm going to blend it right now with a little bit of onion. I'm not going to put all the onion there, just a little bit of onion in there. The rest of the onion will go in the gravy. Okay? Okay. Making my cooking oil just a little bit of oil, maybe it's too much. And I'm going to fry my onions. We're going to wait until the oil gets hot. Onion had to fry a little bit, then I had to put all my ingredients there. I'm adding my garlic. This is my garlic, it's going in here. Now I'm going to add my tomato paste. This is a homemade tomato paste. I'm going to add it there. And this is enough. Now I added all my green pepper, yellow onion pepper, red pepper, onions and pepper and the chili pepper. I blended it and now I just put it in there. Now I'm going to let it cook for about 5 minutes before I add the chicken. It's time to add my chicken. This is just chicken, nothing else, just chicken. And now I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Now then, when I add my water, I'm going to add. Now I'm going to add a little bit of salt, not a lot, just a little. Okay. And a little bit of my whole base season. Okay. And I'm going to stir it. Pour it for the next 20 minutes. 20 minutes, it will be ready. Okay, now as you see it, the sauce is going to cook with the chicken and all the seasoning going to go in the chicken. So I'm going to cover it now and we're going to come back when it's ready. I'm ready to cook my plantain, potatoes and sweet potatoes. So I put it in the pot and I will add some water. Now I'm going to steam my plantain and potatoes, 2 different kinds of potatoes. I add like 3.5 cups of water. And add a little bit of salt. Then I'm going to cover it and let it cook. This is my plantain and potato is done. Cutting the stove off, and this is my chicken gravy. It's done. Now this is a finished product. My potatoes and my plantain, a little bit. This is it. Now this is the food. The gravy is done. Chicken, just chicken, and I'm putting it over my potatoes, my plantain, and this is how it looks. This is how you're going to eat it. Okay, thank you for watching. God bless you.